I know you guys love trying new recipes. We're going to be learning all about how to make your cucumbers pregnant. The Masons are behind everything. Pork pound, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, fuck! So I didn't get cornstarch, but I have flour, and flour is almost the same thing. 1 onion. So I didn't get onions either. We got 1 cup celery, I got celery, 1 cup. But before we begin, our wristwatch check. This is by Japan TV. It has a beautiful blue dial. It says Channel 4. Nippon Television Corporation. Joax TV. This is a real joy. It's got a clear back for those of you gearheads that like to look at the beautiful backsides. So the first thing it says to do is to remove half the peeling from these cucumbers. These are Japanese cucumbers. They're a little bit on the skinny side. If you compare it to whatever the original recipe called for, these cucumbers are probably not the right size. Let's start by peeling these cucumbers, removing half the peel. So I think I just realized that when they say remove half the peel, they actually mean remove like 50% of the peel this way. That's so that you can scoop out the seeds part. So, I fucked that up. Now as you can see, they're a little bit fucked up in size. I'm sorry, this is my life. The next step is to scoop out the insides. I'm just going to use a simple spoon, different kind of cucumbers in the 70s. So instead of ourselves some cute, ready to be impregnated. Okay, so now we will make the filling for the pregnant cucumbers. We're going to fill the cucumbers. We're going to make the filling for the cucumbers. We're gonna make the filling for the cucumbers next. Alright, we've almost got... Oh wait, I didn't put the meat in. Hold on. Meat. A little bit of soy sauce. Here we go. Okay, cool. So I don't know how much a tablespoon is. Did you know that cornstarch can be used to make non-Newtonian fluid? Oh yeah. Doesn't that look good? So I was plunging the toilet earlier because they got clogged for reasons I don't understand. But it's kind of crazy. So I originally bought a plunger at the 100 yen store, which is like a dollar store basically. But that plunger broke almost immediately. Like the rubber just started ripping because I was I was using it pretty aggressively because I was having a hard time getting it to engage. I walked over to the home center, which is like Home Depot or something. You know, I got a really high-end plunger, and I'll show it to you guys in a little bit probably because it's really good. It's the best plunger I've ever owned. Let me know in the comments whether you would make this for your family. I don't actually know what to do with the rest of this meat. Ah, shit! Looks pretty good. Remember to always wash your equipment in case it has foodborne pathogens. Add beef bouillon. Wow. Let's cook for 10 minutes. Alright, here we go. For the sauce, we're gonna need half a cup of water, so that's what we got here, right? This is 50, 100, I don't know what a tablespoon is. We're quite a ways away from the 30, oh. Oh, that's good. So, moment of truth. How's this gonna be? You know, I honestly couldn't tell you. Cucumbers, I feel like they don't look very pregnant. They just look like there's a bunch of meat on top of them. Oh no, okay, well, so I tried to pick one up, but the meat part just came immediately right out. That's fine, we'll just be able to... That looks pretty good, oh...